Guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to the car wash. Meet Happy Ball. Hi, my name is Happy Ball. I came from the glow in the dark party at Turner Creek Elementary School. Woo! And it was from a glow in the dark party. Yep. Oh, I forgot to say one thing. We're going to the car wash. Really, we are. It is.
That. This guy, he looks like a military guy.
Yeah. Here, I'll zoom in for you guys. We're in.
We're in.
Look at this. Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, look, Happy Easter.
Oh, it said Happy Easter, guys. Well, probably said Happy St. Patrick's Day before.
Oh, St. Patrick's Day.
And that is all. Oh. Wow! Whoa! Look! If you ever want to know what that was, you can see it. And that is for all. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. See you in the next one. Bye.